Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Grab location. So let's get started. First off, go ahead and log into your Grab app, and then from the home screen, go ahead and tap the icon at the upper right corner. From here, scroll down and look for saved places. So this is the first method. You can actually save your favorite places here and change your Grab location from here. So this is the first option. The other option would be by when you're about to order a food. Let's say, for example, we're ordering this food. All you have to do is just scroll down and look for the address that will be shown on your screen. Then you want to tap on it, and from here, you can already put in the address or the new location. That's it. Now you know how to change Grab location on your app. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!